asuntoskeittiö Kuusankosken Länsipuisto, Puistokatu 15, Kuusankoski, Kouvola staircase.
Today is the 28th of August 2018. That's 1 Sigma on the outside, Delta on the inside. Built in 2003, 15 years old in the last year, 2018. And just 4 floors, strobed hydraulic. Let's ride it. 72228, 5 persons of 400 grams. Excuse me.
400 grams?
No. Not grams, kilograms. It's gonna be inspected this year, 2019.
The 4 indicators and good budget.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is not good.
And it has fallen on the inside.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is. Here's the beeping.
Oh yeah. Nice. But the generic machine are in good budget.
Yeah, they're not good. And they're so unnecessary. They would have put them. Delta without any doors would have been better.
But I don't know
Or Sigma.
if they were allowed to do. I don't think that they were allowed to do inner doors elevators in
Maybe
2003.
No,
Yeah,
they
yeah.
didn't. No, I don't think so.
1999.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1999.
Inspected by... You were inspected, maintained by Kone. That's it.